For the first time, GitHub Copilot lets you pick an open-weight model right from the model dropdown. It's called Kimi K2.7 Code, and as of July 1st, it's generally available. Here's what actually shipped, and the one setting teams need to know about. Here it is, straight from the source. The headline, Kimi K2.7 Code, an open-weight model, is generally available in Copilot. It's the first open-weight model offered as a selectable option in the picker. Every other choice so far has been a closed, hosted model. GitHub runs it for you on Microsoft Azure, and it's billed at provider list pricing under usage-based billing. Using it is deliberately unremarkable. You open the model picker in your editor, choose Kimi K2.7 Code, and keep working. No new tool, no separate account. It's just another entry in the same dropdown you already use to switch models. Why does this matter? 2 reasons. First, choice. Copilot users get a genuinely different kind of model, positioned as a lower-cost option for everyday coding. Second, the signal. Open-weight models have been catching up fast, and now one is a first-class pick inside the most widely used coding assistant. That's a real milestone for open models in production tooling. The rollout starts with Copilot Pro, Pro Plus, and Max plans, and it spans nearly every surface: VS Code, Visual Studio, the Copilot CLI, the Cloud Agent, JetBrains, Xcode, Eclipse, even GitHub Mobile. It's gradual though, so if you don't see Kimi in your picker yet, it's simply not enabled for your account this hour. Check back. And here's the detail. Teams can't skip. For Copilot Business and Enterprise, Kimi is off by default. An administrator has to turn the policy on before anyone can select it. GitHub explicitly recommends reviewing open-weight models against your own security, compliance, and data governance rules first. Open weights are a gift and a responsibility. If you're on a personal plan, go try it. If you run an org, decide deliberately. Subscribe to BirenAI and ship smarter with AI. See you in the next one.